At Plumbing and Drain Service Chicago, we offer complete plumbing service. Expert sewer cleaning with over 20 years of hydrogenic experience. We can get the pipes clean and flowing again like new. We offer emergency sewer service, including cleanouts and line replacement, outside and inside sewer repair, and water service repair and replacement. We also install and service flood controls. Interior leak diagnostics is a specialty. We love small jobs, repairing leaks and restoring function. Repipes to improve water pressure. We also provide service to the fullest extent of our ability to protect the health and safety and comfort of our clients. We develop our high degree of knowledge and expertise through continuous study of our industry so we may provide the best service.